As you guys saw in the previous videos, we went to Sudan and India. Now we are in Philippines. Alright, this is the entrance. Ryan, Philippines.
Go Philippines.
Philippines. See Filipinos. So many Filipinos.
Filipinos.
What is this? Food area? Hello. It's like, show the people. Filipino bread. There is no free trial, man. Filipino clothes. When you want any Filipino bags, it's more fun in the Philippines.
I have to go there.
Have to go there. Or some Filipino food street, Pinas supermarket. Ryan, I'm seeing a Filipino dress. Yeah.
The black one.
Yeah.
Is it for girls?
Yeah, it's for girls. I think this is just for the show. It's not for sale. We are already seeing a lot of Filipino vloggers going there. What is this?
No, it's not for sale. That's a problem.
Not for sale?
Not for sale, brother. Not for sale. You can't get for your loved one, man. Sorry.
There is no loved one.
Man, this is the
Move crafting.
bamboo crafting.
Bombakla.
Bombakla. Oh, these are Filipino restaurant. Royal Kushna, Burger Bell, Fuji. You're seeing Filipinos here. Ran for your loved one. The Emil Vestulo creation.
They look good.
Yeah, they are good design actually.
This is that good designer, Filipino
Thanks.
designer.
Like, are you guys selling also these things? How much are these?
Tonight we will display more.
Okay.
You're from Pakistan?
Yeah, from Pakistan.
Oh, looks good. Huh?
Yeah, we're just exploring Philippine culture today.
Filipino?
No, he's Pakistani, my friend as well. Yeah.
So you're from Pakistan? Oh?
Yeah, we're just exploring Philippine culture today. Yeah.
Ah,
How much are these?
1,000 more.
1,000 more reals. What are these? These are bamboos? Nothing much. They could make an activity, man. Maze activity, you know, any maze activity. This is Filipino breads. This Ilongis, Asian dish, Pepin more. I think we have to try some Filipino today.
Yes, definitely.
I've tried Japanese in Itra. You tried sushi?
Never.
Never. What are these? Pino craft. What is this? Ryan, representing Philippines, man. Yeah, I've ignored him. These are also restaurants. Bro, there are no free trials.
We miss India.
We can't,
We
miss India. There are a lot of free trials. Oh, we find something. Clothes, Filipino style shirts here mainly. How much is this?
150 reals.
150 reals.
It's good from the Philippines.
Liked any man?
Yeah, they look good.
I mean, the guy is buying, see, with the headphones. I mean, the level. I think we gotta try the food. But first, we gotta meet the macho man. You know, we ignored him, you know.
Macho man from Filipino.
Hello, sir.
I'm fine.
I mean, you're dressed up fully. What's going
May
on?
may participation.
These are really good. I mean, are you singing tonight?
Yeah, I'm gonna sing.
Okay, that's why you're dressed. Okay.
You're from where?
I'm from
From Pakistan.
I am also in fashion designing actually.
Okay.
All kind of fashion and everything.
Okay.
I am CEO for Casa de Arte. Can you be my model?
can be.
He can be as well.
No, he can be.
I mean,
He's a good model.
yeah. We can network. I mean, we can consider your offer.
2018.
Okay.
Pakistani, I've been holding. You know Pakistani school? I
Yeah,
am
yeah.
the first fashion designer.
Okay.
Taking model Pakistan guys.
We can consider the modeling.
No, I am very serious. I am dead serious.
Do you have any card or any?
Take my number of I have.
All right. I mean, where are your modeling held?
We do fashion runway shows.
I mean,
have
we
a
both
mix.
can, join you. Yeah.
Take
Yeah.
one group like that, just one at a time. Believe me.
Yeah. And that's the stage. I think new lighting. Huh?
Print for every country.
Yeah. We gotta taste the food, Rand.
should we go?
I think the one which has the most rush. Choking. Oh, see that Filipino guy. He's also he's wearing some what do you say, vest coat.
Filipino style waistcoat.
What do you want, Ryan? Sada sipao, chicken siomai. Chicken siomai. We can try chicken siomai. Hello.
Hello.
This is a Filipino
Yes,
restaurant.
Filipino.
Okay, so what best do you have here?
Best seller, this one, barbecue and chopan.
What about chicken siomai?
At a shomai, also.
Alright,
Best seller.
what is it? Bread?
Chicken. Chicken.
We will order one.
One order.
Chicken
4
siomai.
pieces, 11 real. Anything else, brother?
No thanks. No thanks, pare. Yeah.
Injan.
Injan. What does Injan means?
Huh?
Injan means
Nationality.
nationality Pakistani.
Pakistani.
Yeah.
Anapi Sadiq Pakistani.
Nice. Cool. Ryan, Pare means brother. Yeah. Ryan, what did you think of Pare? What Pare means?
I thought it means प्यारे जैसे उर्दू में होता है ना प्यारे.
Oh, okay. No, it's Pare. Right, we gotta meet these guys. You know, guys. Hello. Just exploring today.
Yes, sir. No problem.
What about this? You guys not selling your?
Sir, this is for your.
Come on. What about us, man? I mean, we want.
You look great.
I mean, it looks good. Yeah. Show me. I haven't looked. Yeah, it's the whole. What is this? The whole house of there.
Whole Filipino house.
And let's go chicken Xiaomi. Chicken Xiaomi. Let's unpack the chicken Xiaomi. Yeah, it's 4 pieces. It is nice.
Good.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I would not eat it once again. But it's a one-time eat, but it's okay. It's okay. I think you're not liking it, man. You're losing it.
Good.
Oh my god. Everyone, please try chicken Xiaomi. Rayan's highly recommended. Nope. Rayan. Bro with the Filipino hairstyle.
Filipino gangster style.
The Shimago Filipino. Hello.
You can try the boba.
Okay. Oh, what's this? What are you wearing?
This is for the like Mindanao tribe
Okay.
in Philippines. It's a part of Philippines that all Muslim countries, Muslim people.
So are you guys selling also?
No, actually, we're the.
Okay. Yeah, Filipinos are short in height.
Like
No offense.
Like Bengali people.
No offense. Filipinos capital is I think Nepal. No, Nepal's capital is Kathmandu. Philippine is I don't know. Manila. So we got some geographic knowledge.
More knowledge.
Yeah.
Apart from all this, there were some dances and concerts which obviously I didn't record and listen to due to religious purposes. Apart from that, was a great pleasure to know Philippine culture and be ready for the next event. As in the next event, we are coming to Bangladesh.